Hello, good morning, my dear children. We are going through the fifth chapter, Our Country. In this chapter, we have discussed about our national flag and also the capital of our country. And today we are going to discuss the national symbols. Other national symbols. One is India's national animal is the tiger. India's national bird is the peacock. Peacock is a beautiful bird. You know that it is our national bird. It has beautiful and colorful feathers. India's national flower is the lotus. It grows in water. We know that lotus is a big flower and it grows in water. It is a water plant actually. India's national anthem is Jana Gana Mana. We sing our national anthem on important national days. We should stand in attention when we sing our national anthem. We should respect our national anthem. Our national anthem is a Jana Gana Mana and we should respect our national anthem. So, by showing the respect, we all have to stand up. Okay, stand in attention when we sing our national anthem. When we hear our national anthem, we have to stand in attention. Okay, and the next page, let's check. Name the following. The national animal dash. The national animal tiger, that you know. What is the spelling of tiger? Tiger. National flower lotus. 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 And here it's interesting. Besides the national anthem, India also has a national song. It is called Vande Mataram. We know that the song Vande Mataram, when we hoist the national flag, that time we are singing Vande Mataram. It's very beautiful song. And the next one is days of national importance. Important national days. There are three important national days that are celebrated by all Indians. Republic Day is celebrated every year on 26th January. The national flag is hoisted in schools, colleges and office buildings. A grand parade is organized in New Delhi. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August. The Prime Minister of the country gives a speech to the nation from Delhi's Red Fort. The national flag is hoisted at the Red Fort and other important buildings. Okay, that means 26th January we are celebrating Republic Day. It's an important day. And in this occasion, the schools, colleges and office buildings hoist, flag hoisting. And also a grand parade organized in New Delhi. In Republic Day, a grand parade we can see in New Delhi. And as the same, in Independence Day, 15th August, the Prime Minister, now Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister, and whoever, that's not a problem, but the Prime Minister of the country gives a speech. The nation gives a speech to the nation from Red Fort. Delhi's Red Fort, we get a speech from our Prime Minister. The national flag hoisted at the Red Fort and other important buildings. Okay, and also the national flag hoisted in the Red Fort, at the Red Fort, and also other important buildings. And here is a picture, that's our Mahatma Gandhi. What is the full name of Mahatma Gandhi? Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October to mark the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation. He is the father of our nation. Okay, this is, it's fine, it's our chapter, so read the lesson again and again. It's very informative chapter and it may help you to make good scores in quiz type programs. Okay, then have a nice day. Thank you.